guys, now let's have a walk in the lovely Westgate Garden of Canterbury. Here you can see the lovely photos of the Mother Nature and also the river. We'll also be showing you the lovely castle, some historical places that this county or town has been known for. Enjoy!
So you were saying this is where the Irish people gets hanged before? So there you can see the rope, guys. There, see the rope. Why were they hanging people before? Huh? Why were they hanging people? Because they weren't paying their taxes, weren't they? Oh, is it?
Well, actually, this, I think we didn't say. See, it was built in 1380. Site of a Roman gate.
Okay.
And stuff. Finding stuff out in the middle of it, there was one of the major city prison. It was used as a city prison. They just kept
Oh, is it? Okay.
Interesting. But I don't think there's any need to go in.
The pound. Until when? Oh, look at this, guys. Is this Roman-like, isn't it? Huh? Very English. Sorry. So the Beanie Institute, this stone was laid by George Collard. I don't know what JP means, but JP, Mayor of Canterbury, on 16th of September 1897. So it's not open yet until August. I'm gonna take a look at that thing from here. Something I've seen in the movie. It's very a college place actually, guys. So we are in Canterbury in County Kent City. So we are going to see the beautiful cathedral church there further down the road.
Okay, what do you want to do? What time is it?
So I'm having my first Starbucks for this trip. They're making it there. It's only a takeaway. It's on Canterbury High Street Starbucks, waiting for my order. So I'm getting caramel macchiato from.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space Street. Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space Street.